Doing foam rolling will definitely help to reduce pain. Of course, you want to get to the root cause of your thyroid issue because that will also help to reduce pain quite a bit. But doing something physical like this is great. You want to do physical activity every day for your body. And many times when women are starting to address their thyroid conditions, they really don't have a lot of energy to go out and work out. So this is great just to get some mobility into your body. So it also will help to balance your adrenal glands because it will help to reduce stress. And reducing stress is key to balancing adrenal glands. And adrenal issues often go hand in hand with thyroid issues. So it's also important to address your adrenal glands when addressing thyroid issues. So today I'm going to show you, this is my foam roller, and this is a rumble roller. It has these little knobs on it. I don't recommend starting out with this one. This might be too intense to start out with. There are foam rollers that are just a smooth surface. So that would be what I would recommend when you first start out. And you can do this every day. It's great to do every day. It will help you to become more flexible and it will help increase mobility. It helps to bring up trigger points, and trigger points are really tight spots in the muscle. And it will also help to increase mobility in the fascia. So we're going to start out with the lower body. So you can start with one leg or two, like this, and then you just roll until you find a tight spot, and then you just hold it there until you feel it release. And just use as much pressure as you can. You can work on the sides of your leg as well. And then we'll move up to the hamstrings. And I found a tight spot right there, so I'm just going to hold it. We'll move up to the glutes, piriformis. This is really good if you have sciatic issues. And do the other side. Then flip over. You can do your quads. You can do one side at a time or both together. If you're doing one, just move the foam roller over like this. Or if you have a smaller foam roller, you do it this way. And then we'll move to back. And definitely go slower than I'm going here. I'm just doing a demonstration, but just really take your time and find the tight muscles and really work out the trigger points. Move this up to your neck. You can do the lats too, just like this. I used to have really tight lats because I, at one point, was doing a lot of pull-ups, so this really helps to loosen them up. And then do the other side. And that takes care of most muscle groups. You can do your pecs as well, like this. Get into the chest muscles here. Just like that. So if you would like more tips on how to reverse your thyroid condition, you can download my free ebook. It's called Love Your Thyroid. And the link is in the description to this video.